How this Windows command works: echo %path equals and echo %. Searching for a solution to print paths inside path variable in Windows command line, I came to this solution. The answer is this command. Now I wonder how this works.
This is using command line variable substitution. %path column equals an echo dot. % means %path %, but replace all s with and echo dot. This means that with set path equals c column / Windows / System 32, c column / Windows / c column / Python 37 becomes. Since end is a command separator, this is equivalent to. Due to quirks of DOS batch, echo dot is identical to echo except when there's nothing after it. If that's the case, it simply prints nothing instead of telling you whether echo is on or off. This will make the output. Really, it should be echo dot %path column equals an echo to % to account for the case where %path % starts with a. But this command is pretty clever anyway. Getting into detailed alias, really echo should be used instead of echo dot. This is because echo dot can have problems when you've got a file called echo, and is slow because it has to check the disk %cd % and I think also all of %path % every time it runs. I don't have a copy of Windows, so I can't check it myself. Is it just %cd % or anywhere in the %path % that the presence of the echo file will affect echo? And what does it do?
That's an interesting solution that I've never seen before. Let me try to explain. To print the entire path, use echo %path %. This will print all directories on a single line separated with semicolons, winky face. To search or replace a string in a variable, use %path column equals b %e, which will replace all the characters with b. Echo dot e is used to print a new line, and is used to separate commands, e.g., echo line 1 and echo line 2, will print two lines. In effect, semicolons in the path are replaced with a command to print a new line. Or maybe it is interpreted as replace, with nothing, and then, print a new line. I can't find any documentation on this, so it's just my interpretation. Frankly, I didn't even know that was possible, but there you go. Update: my interpretation of this step seems to be off, and is better explained by WizWiz4.
The interpreter works in two consecutive passes. Pass 1 performs all parameter substitutions. But a little documented feature of parameter substitution is that for each individual parameter a secondary substitution is instructed with the syntax string 1 equals string 2 after the parameter name. This is repeated multiple times if string 1 appears more than once. Only then does pass 2 interpret the line for execution. Try this for demystification. Echo %path, Windows equals Unix %.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.